about was the mini facelift too, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah, I think mini facelifts do really well for patients with a little bit of a jowl, maybe a little laxity in the neck, and just gently pull this back up. So mini facelifts can go a long way to giving you that neckline that you've always dreamed of.
Yeah. Now, Dr. Ross, I know you specialize in breast, body, everything as well. What would you say your main specialty is?
I would say breast and body.
Okay.
I'm both of those. Do a lot of breast, especially right now. Just did a ballerina augmentation today.
What is that?
So it's small implants, like a 175 cc's, just for a natural augmentation in a really slender patient who didn't want anything that was going to be super noticeable, but wanted to look cute in her bikini for the summer. And so it's a nice natural way to do a breast implant, especially when you're on the smaller side already to begin with.
And a lot of women are coming in here now, of course, for our vaginal rejuvenation and all these women's type of needs. And I know you're working a lot with those patients, right?
Absolutely. So we do vaginal rejuvenation with a type of laser to help with tightening, lubrication, things like that. But one of my favorite things is the procedural side is the labiaplasty, and that's actually removing excess skin for women. Which is also super helpful, especially in the summer season when we're talking about swimsuits or tighter fitting clothes, just from a comfort standpoint.
Got it. And Dr. Greenberg, there's something that you use that people were asking about last week when we did this. They were writing in more questions about the J plasma. What is this J plasma liposuction all about?
So it's a type of laser we use based upon helium to help tighten up the skin at this time of liposuction. So if you have a little bit of skin laxity after having kids or massive weight loss, this will help the skin to retract in. And we often will do that at the time of just regular liposuction or our mommy makeovers, whether it's men or women. We tend to use a lot of the J plasma Renuvion laser.
Got it. And speaking of men, a lot of men are coming here into the practice to see you at all the locations, which, by the way, I know we always speak a lot about females, but there are tons of men coming here for their eyes, for their face, right? You've seen an uptick in that.
Eyes, face, guys do a lot of liposuction as well, male breast reduction, sculpt the abdomen, their love handles, do their necks, their chins, their eyes, and facelifts as well. So super common for guys to do a lot of these cosmetic surgery procedures.
Well, I love it because this is for everyone. And even, on the younger side, Dr. Weissler himself, he's seeing a lot of the rhinoplasty patients too, right?
Yeah, Dr. Weissler does a lot of rhinos. He does very naturally in office. They come out great and they fix your breathing at the same time.
Amazing. All right. Well, also, I just want to thank you guys for being here today. As always, it's exciting to be here at the Woodbury office, but not to mention, how many locations do you have now?
A lot. We have
Go
Scarsdale, Manhattan, Woodbury, Smithtown, the Hamptons, and Florida. You can catch us all over. Dr. Ross, thank you so much for coming on today.
Thank you. Of course.
Dr. Weissler, who's operating, Dr. Cooper, who's operating, and myself are welcoming you to any of our offices. Thanks for Jill Nicolini once again.
Thank you, guys. Have a good day.